How to use best car insurance comparison tools properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Car insurance comparison tools are great for finding coverage, but beginners often misuse them, leading to overpayment or insufficient protection. Most people get this wrong, but proper use can save money and avoid future headaches. The first mistake is entering inaccurate information. Age, driving history, vehicle type, and location must be correct. Errors can lead to incorrect quotes or denied coverage later. Another common error is focusing only on price. The cheapest policy may have high deductibles or limited coverage. Evaluate liability, collision, comprehensive, and personal injury protection to ensure full coverage. Many users forget to check discounts and bundling options. Failing to apply for safe driver, multi-policy, or loyalty discounts can increase costs unnecessarily. Some also overlook policy limits and exclusions. Low limits may leave you exposed in serious accidents, and certain damages may not be covered. Carefully read the fine print before selecting a plan. Finally, relying solely on online tools without contacting insurers directly can be risky. Confirm quotes, ask questions, and clarify terms to avoid surprises. To properly use car insurance comparison tools, provide accurate information, consider coverage beyond price, apply available discounts, review limits and exclusions, and verify directly with insurers. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll find the best coverage at the right price while protecting yourself on the road.